I am in SHV SH Handlooms. This is Himanshu Saxena, and whenever I come in SHV SH Handlooms, so we got lots of love of the members of SH Handlooms, and because we got the lots of comments and messages to our customers and viewers for the new video and the new product. So let's get started and know to Shubham sir about the today's video. Sir, please tell us our customers and our viewers of the today's product and the today's video.
Himanshu, today we are showing to you and our customers our chiffon sari collection.
Today we are going to show the chiffon collection, chiffon sari collection, in which we will show our full range and wide range of chiffon saris. So let's get started to watch. But before the video, please do a like, share and subscribe to our channel and our video. Sir, please present your collection of chiffon saris.
Yes. Himanshu, this is our starting range sari, chiffon sari.
Okay sir, starting range.
Yeah.
Very pretty sari and the color is very nice.
This is plain chiffon sari with fancy jacquard booty blouse.
Jacquard booty. Its name is Jacquard booty blouse. Golden Jacquard booty, sir?
Yes. 30 plus color available in this sari.
Yes, sir. You can see very nice and pretty colors are there. And this is plain sarees, plain with Jacquard booty blouses. Jacquard golden booty blouses.
Himanshu, in this sari, only weight is only 200 grams.
200 grams. Sir.
Yeah, very lightweight sari.
Very lightweight sari. And this is
One of this color also.
very nice collection, sir. Please show more collection of chiffon sarees, sir.
Yes, Himanshu.
And customers, we have full range and full stock of these sarees also in this video, but we have full stock in our godowns.
This is our second item in chiffon sari. That is Bandhej booty chiffon sari.
Bandhej booty.
Yeah.
It is very famous sari, sir.
Yes, yes.
Famous name.
That is
Bandhej
Rajasthan
sari.
print.
Rajasthan print.
Yeah.
Wow, sir.
More color available, and that is this blouse.
Blouse. Sir, what is this, sir?
That is the design of Bandhej
Design of Bandhej, sir.
with a jari border, small
Jari
border.
And also with jacquard border, jacquard blouse,
Jacquard blouse.
jacquard blouse.
That is colors.
Colors. Black color is also available, which is very attractive and pretty.
Each and every colors are 20 pieces. Every time is ready in my shop.
Very nice, sir. Wow, what a pretty
That
collection.
all color are available. That all color are available.
Customers, you can see here we have full range and wide range of chiffon sarees. Exclusive range are available, and you can wear these sarees on your parties, festivals and casual outgoings.
Our third variety of that is print chiffon sari with jacquard elegant border.
Print chiffon saree with the jacquard elegant border.
More design colors available in this sari also.
Golden border.
Yeah, golden border and booty blouse. This is the
Exclusive
color.
wear. Best for parties. Nice collection, sir. Please show more collection and more colors, sir.
One of this item, that is print item with the booty design, jari booty.
Jari booty
All
design.
over jari booty design with print and jacquard
Flower
border.
prints.
Yeah, flower print.
Wow.
Color also available. 6 color collection is available in this sari.
6 colors, sir.
All are pure chiffon quality, lightweight sari.
Lightweight, sir. Nice collection and nice colors. Sir, please show exclusive wear, sir.
That is our new collection.
Wow, sir. Very
big
nice.
border, skirt border design with print.
Skirt border. And the full view of this sari is same as this. In this, there is small flowers and there is big flowers. Golden designs.
Six color collection, color variety collection is available in this saree.
Very nice. Golden color and golden border. And these are of all lightweight sarees.
And one of that item, new creation with the bandhej booty and satin border design.
Bandhej booty satin border.
Multicolor saree design.
Multicolor saree. Because we create every day the new collection and our new creation for our only customers. So please watch our full product and the chiffon wide range. And all are available at a very reasonable prices. Here you can see the blue, red, black and green. Very pretty colors are available. And 50 plus colors are also available in this chiffon sari collection.
That is pure chiffon saree.
Pure chiffon sari.
That product name is Chinon quality of chiffon.
Chinon quality.
Plus colors and design available in this saree.
Very nice, sir.
That is our new creation of print in
Very
chiffon
nice.
saree. Flowers type designs is available in this saree.
Big flowers are available. This sari,
That is chiffon bandhej saree
bandhej sari,
with booty blouse.
booty blouse. Golden booty blouse sari.
20 colors is available in this
available.
saree. Full variety is available in this collection also.
With sir golden zari.
Golden zari.
Golden zari sari.
That is chiffon embroidery saree.
Chiffon embroidery sari.
Zari embroidery in full all over saree embroidery is come with the jari,
Jari.
and booty blouse also come with the saree. In this saree also 20 colors is available. The,
Please show the next chiffon sarees collection to our customers.
Himanshu, that is our new chiffon saree collection. That is Rai Dana design.
Rai Dana design.
Full all over saree have this type designs of booty.
Very nice, and
And
you can see this is very attractive because this is the peacock designs and available with
the
golden
satin
satin
border design.
satin border design and golden
Yeah.
golden zari.
And our second item also in this variety, that multicolors Rai Dana design.
Wow, multicolors. Customers, you can see there is one color, but there is multicolor sari.
Yeah.
Multicolor.
And we have also more color in this collection. That is all color is available.
Because video will go long, so we cannot show all colors, but you can see we have full variety and full stock of these chiffon sarees. And here is also the nice and pretty collections available, which we show already you. These are the all collection and all stock of chiffon sarees. Here is big flower sarees, and these are the
multi chiffon
multi chiffon sarees,
with the satin border.
satin border design.
That is embroidery one, jari embroidery. That is floral print designs. That is plain design, and that is full print with the tissue border.
Tissue border.
Full collection
Wow,
available.
very nice collection. Big flowers, and all colors are available. Nice collection. Wow, sir.
Some designs also available in variety.
So what is the name of this variety?
That is chiffon new collection with Jari border.
Shari border.
Small.
This is
prints.
printed sari, sir.
That sari name is organza.
Organza sari.
Organza sari.
Wow. Very famous sari.
Also available 4 to 5 designs and 6 color chart is available in this sari.
Color.
That is print with jacquard border design. Pure chiffon sari with the jacquard booty blouse.
Border is very beautiful.
New design border.
Golden border. Is with small flowers.
That is small border design with chiffon print.
Wow. Print is
Carry design print.
too much good and the traditional print.
One of this design with a gold print.
Gold print.
Full all over sari. Gold print is available in that sari with Jari small border design.
All are exclusive
Jacquard border
sarees.
also jacquard blouse piece also available in this sari. 20 colors is available in this sari. One of this, that is Balucheri print sari.
Balucheri.
Pure chiffon with tissue border.
Tissue border. Golden
That
tissue
sari is
border.
very famous in everywhere in India.
And a very lightweight sari. Chiffon is very lightweight sari.
One design that also available in chiffon.
Chiffon. This is, sir, also organza sari.
Yeah, that is also organza sari.
Organza sari with golden border.
And one of that design, that is Zari Buta design with jacquard border. Full all over plain with Jari booty.
Cherry booties. Booties are very big and very pretty. Wow, sir. So this is the blouse piece.
Yeah. Jacquard blouse piece. 1 meter, full 1 meter length
Full
is
one-
available of the blouse.
Full 1 meter blouse is available in all sari collections.
One of most unique collection of embroidery.
Wow, sir.
Pure chiffon with embroidery design with tissue border. Jacquard booty. 10
Please
colors
see-
is available in this sari.
Please see, these are very nice collections.
I will show
of
you my
all sarees.
that sari collection image. New colors also available.
Full stock is available here.
Third color of yellow.
Yellow color.
That is grey color.
Lots of colors are also available.
Orange color. All color is available. Full stock available in this sari.
For more colors and more collection, please check our video description where we give our WhatsApp link. Here these sarees with the traditional accessories to complete the look. Chiffon is very pretty and party wear sarees. And how do you like our product and our sarees and the video? Please comment in the comment box. Why are you waiting till now? Please call on the following number for more information and for all collection and for bulk prices and wholesale quantity and for small quantity also. And place the order right now on the given number and check our video description also for more videos and our previous videos. And very thank you so much for your love which we get on our previous videos. Very thank you so much. And please do like, share and subscribe to this video. And please comment for the next video and the next product. We will create and make the new video only for you. Thank you friends. Till then, stay blessed, stay inspired and love you well. Spread happiness and be happy.